Gabriel Jesus' season may be over and his World Cup chances in jeopardy after the young Brazilian striker left the pitch in tears with a knee injury sustained during Manchester City's Premier League clash with Crystal Palace at Selhurst Park today. The 20-year-old was chosen to lead the line by Pep Guardiola for today's midday kickoff, but lasted just over 20 minutes before sustaining an injury that left the former Palmeiras wonderkid in tears as he limped down the touchline and towards the changing room. The 20-year-old striker has endured wretched luck with injuries since arriving at the Etihad Stadium in January, missing 2 months towards the back end of last season with the broken metatarsal sustained in only his 4th appearance for the club. Given Jesus' reaction to the injury, it would suggest that the Brazilian knows it's serious, which could mean his 2017-18 campaign is over. And, even worse than that, his chances of representing Brazil at next summer's World Cup in Russia are over. Hopefully that is not the case and Jesus' injury isn't as serious as is currently being feared. Obviously, social media being what it is, everyone is now using the 20-year-old's potentially lengthy layoff to suggest that Pep Guardiola will now make a January move for long-term target Alexis Sanchez, who he almost signed in a £60 million deal on transfer deadline day. Regardless of what Jesus' injury means for Sanchez's future, we hope the young Brazilian makes a full recovery and is fit in time for the World Cup.